reaction. I have
and
since
this
come
did a
around to
great
their
job.
point
It
of
looks
view, but for a
absolutely
minute there
fantastic.
I was
love the way
like,
that
where
turned
are my
out.
blessings?
So after the epoxy,
11. You guys have hamburger-flavored Cheetos in the American food aisle. We don't even have those. 12. The fascination with tracksuits. 13. How most cities are walkable. You need a car everywhere in USA, no matter what. 14. When you ask them, how are you doing? They think it's a personal question instead of an American greeting. 15. The instinctive need of many Europeans